Global Reporting Navigation. In this lesson, you'll learn how to navigate around the Global Reporting screen and add reports to your favourites. To access Global Reporting, log in by entering your username and password, then clicking Sign In. The Reports menu is where you can find a list of predefined reports. Click to expand the folders to view the available reports. Click on the folders to drill down to view the reports. The icons next to the names indicate whether it is a report or a dashboard. Click on a report or dashboard to view it. Select a dashboard to view the options in the menu bar. Here you can open, export, undo, drill down, change dashboard settings, and refresh. Click the Home button to return to the home screen. You can also add your frequently accessed reports to the Favorites menu, which can be accessed by clicking on the Favorites star. To add to this list, locate the report or dashboard in the menu. Activate the toggle, select the report, and click the Add to Favorites star. Deactivate the toggle when you are done. Your top 3 favourites will also be easily accessible in the Favorites bar. In this lesson, you've learned how to navigate around the Global Reporting screen and add reports to your favourites.